Thinking about a DIY divorce? While it may seem like a good way to save money, there are some major pitfalls you might not have considered. Let's dive into the hidden complexities. DIY divorce might seem straightforward, but the paperwork can be overwhelming. Filing errors can lead to court rejections and delays. Our paralegal services ensure accurate and timely filing, saving you from frustration. Each county in California has unique divorce rules and deadlines. Missing a deadline or misunderstanding procedures can cause significant delays. We ensure compliance with all legal requirements, avoiding unnecessary setbacks. Many DIY divorces are delayed due to overlooked steps like financial disclosures. Missing steps can mean months of delays or refiling paperwork. Our guidance ensures no steps are missed, keeping your divorce on track. DIY divorces often rely on both spouses navigating the process without outside help, which can lead to misunderstandings or conflicts. We provide clarity and facilitate cooperation to keep the process on track. DIY divorces can increase emotional stress and lead to mistakes. Without neutral guidance, even amicable divorces can become contentious. We manage the process, providing clarity and reducing stress so you can focus on moving forward. By choosing divorce661.com, you'll save time, stress, and hassle. Our professional expertise ensures your divorce is handled efficiently. Let us take the burden off your shoulders. Contact us today to learn more and schedule your free consultation. Visit divorce661.com to get started now. Together, we can make your divorce process smoother and stress-free.